Dear students, I welcome all of you to our maths class, that is our online class. So, which chapter we are taking? We are taking the chapter subtraction. So, I think all are studied in subtraction. In the last class we has taken subtraction of 2-digit numbers with regrouping and subtraction of 2-digit number without regrouping, and their word problems also we studied. I think all are understood, but we will take once more subtraction of 2-digit numbers with regrouping. I think so many didn't understand well that how to do the subtraction of 2-digit numbers with regrouping. That is borrowing of ones from the next place. That all didn't understood. So we will revise once more that session, that is subtraction with regrouping of 2-digit numbers. Then we will start the class. That is last portion. One more portion is left, that is addition and subtraction are related. So we will take the that portion after taking the subtraction of 2-digit numbers with regrouping. I will show you 1 or 2 examples, then you can understand once more. You can understand that how to do the addition of 2-digit numbers with regrouping. So I told you we will take the once more we will take the subtraction with regrouping, and I will show you 2 or 3 examples. I think some didn't understand how to do the subtraction with regrouping. So we will look certain examples of subtraction. So I will write here one question: 86 minus 48. 86 minus 48. So where we will start subtraction? We will start subtraction from the ones place. We will start subtraction from the ones place. And which are the numbers here in the ones place? 6 and 8. 6 and 8 are the numbers here in the ones place. So tell me, is it possible to subtract 8 from 6? Is it possible to subtract 8 from 6? No, it is not possible, because here 6 is the smallest number and 8 is the biggest number. So it is not possible to subtract 8 from 6. So what we will do? What we will do? Tell me all of you, what we will do to subtract 8 from 6? Okay, we have to borrow 1 from here, the next place, that is the tens place. 8 is the number in the tens place. So we have to borrow 1 from 8's place, tens place, that is here the number is 8. So then 8 will become what? 8 will become 7. 8 will become 7. Then 6 will become, tell me all of you, 6 will become 16. 6 will become 16. So now we are able to subtract 8 from 16. Later we are not able to subtract 8 from 6. That's why we borrowed 1 from the next place, that is the tens place. We borrowed 1, that is that number is 8, and when we borrowed 1 from 8, then 8 will become 7 and 6 will become 16. Now we are able to subtract 8 from 16. So what is 16 minus 8? What is 16 minus 8? Yes, it is 8. It is 8. So we will write here 8. Then next we have to subtract the numbers in the tens place. We have to subtract the numbers in the tens place. So which are the numbers? Here the numbers are 7 and 4. Here numbers are 7 and 4. So what is 7 minus 4? 7 minus 4 is 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. So we got the answer 38. That is 86 minus 48 is 38. So we will look another example. 92 minus 65. 92 minus 65. So how we will do this problem? Here in the ones place the numbers are 2 and 5. Ones place the numbers are 2 and 5. So how will we subtract 5 from 2? It is not possible, isn't it? It is not possible. So we have to borrow 1 from 9. We have to borrow 1 from 9. So then 9 will become 9 will become 8. And 2 will become, tell me all of you, 2 will become what? 2 will become 12. 2 will become 12. Now we are able to subtract 5 from 12. Now we are able to subtract. So what is 12 minus 5? 12 minus 5 is what? Tell me, all of you tell me. 12 minus 5 is what? 12 minus 5 is 7. 12 minus 5 is 7. And next in the tens place the numbers are 8 and 6. So 8 minus 6, we have to do 8 minus 6. That is what? What is 8 minus 6? All of you tell me. 8 minus 6 is what? 8 minus 6 is 2. So what is the answer? 27. 27 is the answer. So 98 minus 65 is 27. So to do this type of problem, that is subtraction with the regrouping, we have to borrow 1 from the next place, that is the tens place. Then we are able to subtract the numbers in the ones place. Then we will get the answer. One more example I will show you. So here next question is 74 minus 29. 74 minus 29. So which place we will start subtraction? We will start subtraction from the ones place. So 4 minus 9 is what? 4 minus 9 is, it is possible to subtract 9 from 4? No. So what we will do? We have to borrow 1 from 7. That is the tens place number is here 7. So we have to borrow 1 from 7. Then 7 will become 6. And 4 will become 14. 4 will become 14. So now we are able to subtract 9 from 14. Now we are able to subtract 9 from 14. So what is 14 minus 9? 14 minus 9 is 5. 14 minus 9 is 5. And next is 6 minus 2. So what is, tell me, all of you tell me, what is 6 minus 2? 6 minus 2 is 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. So we got the answer 45. We got the answer 45. So 74 minus 29 is 45. Then next is 63 minus 27. 63 minus 27. So which numbers we will subtract first? 3 and 7. 3 minus 7. Is it possible? No. It is not possible to subtract 7 from 3. So what we will do? We have to borrow 1 from 6. Then 6 will become 5. 6 will become 5. And 3 will become 13. 3 will become 13. Now we are able to subtract 7 from 13. So what is 13 minus 7? 13 minus 7 is what? All of you tell me. 13 minus 7 is what? 13 minus 7 is 6. 13 minus 7 is 6. Next 5 minus 2. Next is 5 minus 2. So 5 minus 2 is what? 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. So what is the answer? Answer is 36. So 63 minus 27 is 36. So I think all are understood how to do this subtraction with regrouping. This once more I explained because I think all are didn't get how to do this type of problems. And we also done the word problems of this subtraction with regrouping in the last class that I explained through the help of the slides. I think that also clear for you. Then so many problems are there in the textbook. I think all are done in your notebook, that all exercises problems and the word problems also. So we will start the last session of this chapter. By this session we will wind up this chapter. So we will look the last session of this chapter. So the last session is addition and subtraction are related. Addition and subtraction are related. So we will look how this addition and subtraction are related. So here I am writing one subtraction problem. 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3. So what is 9 minus 3? It is very easy for you because we studied the subtraction of two-digit number. So this is the subtraction of a one-digit number. So it is very easy to you to give me the answer. So what is, tell me, all of you tell me, 9 minus 3 is what? 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 3 is 6. So 9 minus, we had the problem 9 minus 3. So 9 minus 3 is 6. So how we can say addition and subtraction are related? This is the subtraction problem. This is the subtraction problem. So here the number is, here the answer is 6. Here 9 minus 3 is 6. Look here, 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is what? 6 plus 3 is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. So we subtracted 9 minus 3 equals 6. We already got the subtraction problem by adding the answer and this number. Answer and this number, 6 plus 3, we will get this first number 9. This first number 9. 6 plus 3 equals 9. So 9 minus 3 is 6, and when we add 6 and 3, we got this 9. 6 plus 3, we got the 9. So from this we can conclude that our answer is correct. That is 9 minus 3 is correct. That is 6 plus, when we are adding 6 and 3, we will get 9. So from this statement, from this addition statement, we can conclude that 9 minus 3 is 6 is correct. Our answer is correct. By this way, we can also check the subtraction of two-digit numbers, whether we will get, when we subtract a two-digit number, we will get an answer. Then we can check by this addition problem, our answer is correct or not. We will check this subtraction problem. Our subtraction problem of answer of our subtraction problem is correct by this addition method. So now we will look how to check the subtraction problem is correct by the addition method of two-digit numbers. So here I wrote one question, 72 minus 40. 72 minus 40. So now first we will do the subtraction, then we will check our answer is correct or not. So 2 minus 0, subtraction we will start from the ones place. So 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 minus 0 is 2. And 7 minus 4 is what? Tell me, 7 minus 4 is what? 7 minus 4 is 3. So what is the answer? 32. 32 is the answer. That is 72 minus 40 is 32. If we have a doubt that our answer is correct or not, then we can check this problem, subtraction answer is correct or not by the addition statement. So now we will add which and which numbers we have to add. We have to add the answer and this number, that is 32. 32 plus 40. We have to add 32 and 40. When we will get this 72 by adding 32 and 40, then we can conclude that our answer is correct. That is when we already done the subtraction, we already done. So for checking our answer is correct or not, by this addition we have to add 32 and 40. So by adding 32 and 40, if we got the 72, then we can conclude that our answer is correct. So what we will get when adding 32 and 40? 2 plus 0, 2 plus 0, 2. Then 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4, 7. So we got the answer 72, that is the first number. So we can conclude that our answer is correct. That is a subtraction. We already done the subtraction. Then by adding that answer and this number, we got this first number, that is 72. Then from this statement we can conclude that our answer is correct. So two more examples also I will show you to do this addition and subtraction are related. So next problem, 64 minus 22. 64 minus 22. So 4 minus 2 is what? 4 minus 2 is 2. And 6 minus 2 is what? 6 minus 2 is 4. So we got the answer 42. 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. So how we will check our answer is correct or not? By doing the addition. By doing the addition, that is, which are the numbers we have to add? Which are the numbers we have to add? Tell me all of you, which are the numbers we have to add to check our subtraction problem is correct or not? We have to add 42 and 22. We have to add 42 and 22. So, what we will get when we add 42 and 22? 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. Then 4 plus 2, 6. So, we got this number. We got 64. So, what we have to conclude from this? We have to conclude that our subtraction problem is correct. Our subtraction problem is correct. First we done the subtraction problem, then we checked our answer is correct or not by this addition method. That is, we added this answer and this number and the second number, then we got the first number, we got 64. So by this we will conclude that our answer is correct. One more example I will show you. Next problem is 56 minus 28. So 6 minus 8 is what? Is it possible to subtract 8 from 6? No. So we have to borrow 1 from 5. Then 5 will become 4 and 6 will become 16. 5 will become 4 and 6 will become 16. Now we are able to subtract 8 from 16. So what is 16 minus 8? Tell me all of you. 16 minus 8 is 8. 16 minus 8 is 8. And 4 minus 2 is what? 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So this is the answer, 28. 56 minus 28 is 28. So now how we will check our answer is correct? You have a little bit confusion whether our answer is correct or not. So we have to do the addition and we have to conclude our answer is correct or not. By which and which numbers we have to add? We have to add this answer 28 and this number, that is both numbers are same, 28. So we have to add 28 and 28. 28 plus 28. So 8 plus 8 is what? 8 plus 8 is 16. So for 16 what we write here? We will write 6 here and we will take 1 as the carryover. That we already studied addition with the regrouping. So then we have to add this 1 with the 2. 1 plus 2 is what? 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is what? 3 plus 2 is 5. So we got the answer 56. So what we will conclude from this? We will conclude that our subtraction problem is correct. Our subtraction problem is correct. So this is the addition and subtraction are related problems. That is, if we have a problem of subtraction and when we completed the subtraction problem, then we have a little bit confusion if our answer is correct or not. So how we will check our answer is correct or not? By doing this type of addition. That is, we have to add the answer and the next number, then we will get the answer and the smallest number, then we will get the biggest number, that is the, and that then we will conclude that our answer is correct. So I think all are understood this addition and subtraction are related. By this method, by doing this type of problem, by doing this type of method, we can conclude that our subtraction problem is correct. So I think all are understood this portion.
Subtract the following and then check the subtraction using addition. 68 minus 29. Let's solve the problem. 68 minus 29. Subtract the digits at the ones place first. That is 8 minus 9. Since 8 is smaller than 9, we cannot subtract 9 from 8. So, regroup 68 as 5 tens and 18 ones. Now subtract 9 from 18. We get 9. Now subtract the digits at the tens place. That is 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. Hence, 68 minus 29 is equal to 39. Now we have to check our subtraction using addition. Add the difference, which is 39, and the subtrahend, which is 29. We get 68 as the answer, which is also the minuend. Hence, our subtraction is correct.
So, dear students, we completed this chapter, that is subtraction we completed. So, what are the sections we studied in this chapter? We studied subtraction of two-digit numbers with regrouping, without regrouping, and we studied counting backward method, properties of subtraction we studied, and we studied the subtraction with regrouping, without regrouping. There were problems we studied, so many things we studied, and now in this class we studied the addition and subtraction are related. Addition and subtraction are related. By doing a subtraction problem, when we have a little bit confusion that our problem is wrong, then we will do this addition method to conclude our answer is correct or not. So, I think all are understood this chapter. Our next chapter is numbers up to 1000. We studied the numbers up to 200 and their before after number. So many things we studied in the first chapter. Ascending order, descending order, expanded form, so many abacus, we studied all the things. So, in this next chapter we will study numbers up to 1000. So, before that you have to study this chapter subtraction, and you have to do problems when you are in home sitting free. You have to do the problems of subtraction and the word problems, and also you have to write the notes that I am attaching in this video, and you have to attend the class test also. Okay, dear students, hope all of you are fine at home. So all of you take care. Bye bye.